Welcome to our channel. Setting up your ReliaCard for direct deposit is a straightforward process that ensures your funds are available quickly. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Activate your ReliaCard first if you haven't already done so. You can activate it online, by phone, or at an ATM following the instructions that came with your card. Step 2. Locate your ReliaCard account number and routing number. This information is usually available on the ReliaCard website when you log into your account, or you can call customer service. Step 3. Contact your employer's payroll department or human resources. Let them know you want to set up direct deposit to your ReliaCard. Step 4. Provide your employer with the routing number and account number for your ReliaCard. Double-check these numbers to ensure your funds are deposited correctly. Step 5. Fill out any direct deposit authorization forms required by your employer. These forms typically ask for your banking information and your signature. Step 6. Confirm the amount or percentage of your paycheck you want deposited to your ReliaCard. You can usually split deposits between multiple accounts if needed. Step 7. Wait for your employer to process the direct deposit setup. This may take 1 or 2 pay periods to take effect. Step 8. Verify that your first direct deposit appears in your ReliaCard account on payday. Log into your account online or check your balance at an ATM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.